This hopefully will turn out to be my sawmill motor. It is a 13 horsepower Kohler. I think it came off an air compressor motor. Don't know what's wrong with it yet. Motor was seemed to be locked up, or it locks up when you turn it a certain amount. Don't know if it needs a piston rod. What? Looks like it's got a rocking. Don't know how that got in there. I don't know if it might have been on a truck that rolled over, or if they did it dump off the back of a pickup into some kind of road bed, or what. The muffler looks like it pushed down into the valve cover though. Little ding, no problem. Oil filter looks like it's caved in a little bit. That's some kind of trauma, but it's rebuildable. I'm hoping it will make a very good sawmill motor. I'm gonna build my sawmill. I've got a man gonna sell me some 158-inch bandsaw blades. Should be able to cut, after I get built, cut logs as big as 3 foot in diameter with it. It's one of them long-term projects. But I think that's a good motor for the job if I can get it working. Shouldn't be a problem. Just money. Money's the issue. Always is, it seems. But it's easier to build your own sawmill and get your own wood cut than it is to buy wood now. If I don't want to end up living in what was supposed to be a barn, that's the way it's going to have to go. Yeah. Anyway, more to come. This is an alternative motor for the sawmill. 6.5 horse Briggs. Came off of a tiller that got tore up. Low mile or low hour on the engine, I imagine. Anyway, it still turns over. I have to clean the carburetor probably at least to get it running. But 6.5. I'm not sure if it's going to be powerful enough for the sawmill or not. But at least it's an alternative. Anyway, a little more to come. Another option. 18 horsepower Briggs twin. Picked up at a salvage yard several years back. Gonna try to fix this old riding as a lawn tractor. But yeah, it's a good motor. Needs carburetors clean. But it was running last time I used it. May need a little tinkering to get it going, but that's a power plant. Potential power plant for a sawmill or portions thereof. Got another somewhere. That's a 17.5 horse. Perfectly good motor. The rest of the machine wore out before the motor did. That's what new riding mowers do, I guess. The engines outlast everything else. But thing about riding mower engines, they're cheap. Generally get them just to haul them away. People let them sit too long, carburetors get gummed up. That's generally about the only thing wrong with the motors. Bearings and stuff in the deck and stuff will wear out before that. So anyway, riding mowers are very underutilized. They have good power plants that can be used for generators, sawmills, whatever. But I'm thinking I would like to incorporate riding mower engines into the sawmill, but If the color horizontal shaft works out, it's rebuildable, where I don't think these Briggs are. But these old Briggs 12 horse all the way up to 18, 20 horse motors are sometimes free. Perfectly good motors and easy to change out. Already got pulleys on them. And mower parts had, you got idler pulleys. You use the pulleys for clutches, whatever. So that's what I've got to work with motor-wise for the sawmill. One of many different power plants, all of which can be run on wood gas. Use some of your sawmill leftovers to fuel the whole thing with. Save yourself a lot of money on gas. I'll get into wood gasifier again later. The sawmill's the project now. We'll go from there.